What's up, guys? I'm back. Welcome to your reading. This is for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What's going on, everybody? Let's see what's going on in your love life from the 1st to the 10th of October 2021. If you need a personal reading, all that information is going to be down below. You can DM me on Instagram or you can just email me. As simple as that. All right, let's see. All right, Geminis, what's going on in your connection from the 1st to the 10th of October 2021? How do you see yourself in this connection, Gemini? How do you see yourself in this connection? How do you see yourself in this connection with this person that you're dealing with? Okay. How does this person see themselves in this connection? How does this person see themselves in this connection with Gemini? How does this person see themselves in this connection with Gemini? How does this person see themselves in this connection with Gemini? The Magician. Nice. Nice. I like that. We have the King of Wands with the Magician here. Baby doll, you're getting your manifestation is what I'm getting here. Whoever you're manifesting, sweetheart, that's the King of Wands here. That's your badass. Someone's coming towards you very confidently. This person here is super passionate about you. This person wants you and only you. They can't think of anyone else. They don't want anyone else. They don't feel passionate about anyone else. They're very focused on you. They're goal oriented. This person is likely to get things happen, make things happen quickly. Your manifestation is coming in quicker than you think it is. What's the current situation for Gemini? Too many cards. What's the current situation for Gemini? What's the current situation for Gemini? What is the current situation for Gemini? Ace of Swords in reverse, no communication here. So this person that you're dealing with has the inner clarity, okay, about what they really want with you. They know what the truth is, but they're keeping the truth from you. So either they're not communicating with you, I wouldn't say this is clouded judgment, because I do intuitively pick up this person knows what they want. They know what the truth is, okay? They're not even living in denial. Now, they're just not saying it. They're just not expressing. They're not letting the truth come out in the open here. Why is that? Because they're trying to run away from some kind of conflict here. They've just found a way to run away from any kind of conflict, any kind of competition, or any kind of arguments out here, okay? But this person out here with the Queen of Swords here, they know that you are going to literally cut their head off if they don't come towards you, correct? You're in this no bullshit approach right now, all right? And you're very cold, very clear about what you want, and you're making it very, very clear to them, okay? You're to the point, giving them an ultimatum out here, okay? So they know that when they come towards you, they better come towards you with a solution here. They better be on the same page with you, or they can fuck off. All right, how does Taurus, I said Taurus, you could be dealing with a Taurus, my bad. How does Gemini view this person or the connection that they have with Gemini? What's happening? How does Gemini view this person or the connection with this person? King of Swords. How does this person view their connection with Gemini, or how do they view Gemini? How does this person view their connection with Gemini, or how do they view Gemini? High Priestess in reverse. Okay. Right now, it looks like you're not trusting your intuition, Gemini. Maybe your intuition is telling you to wait. Maybe your intuition is telling you that your manifestations are coming into reality here. But what the problem is here, that you're being a little hard-headed, to be honest out here, okay? You're probably rejecting your intuition, ignoring your intuition, all right? And you're trying to focus more on your logic. You're choosing logic over intuition here. Okay, but right now there is a lot of psychic guided messages coming towards you. You're not being able to interpret the messages is also what I'm getting here. Whilst this person with the King of Swords here, I feel they have a lot of mental clarity. Okay, they're very assertive. They have that inner clarity about what they want here. See, that's what I'm telling you. The clarity is there from this person's side, and they know they want you. Okay, this person is someone who gets up and gets things done. So you're dealing with a very dominant male out here. All right. But with the Ace of Swords in reverse here, nothing's being spoken, nothing's being talked about, okay? So there is zero communication, or there is communication here where you're still not getting the clarity. Take it how it resonates here. What is the mutual energy for Gemini and the person they're dealing with? What is the mutual energy for Gemini and the person they're dealing with? Whoa, calm down. I saw the Three of Wands. Both waiting on each other here. What is the mutual energy for Gemini? What is the mutual energy between Gemini and the person they're dealing with? What is the mutual energy for Gemini and the person they're dealing with? Strength in reverse. Both of y'all are giving up, both of y'all are giving up here. Both of y'all feel like surrendering. Both of y'all are probably ego. I think ego. I think this is ego out here. You're both very emotionally overwhelmed is what I'm getting here, but there could be this clarity. Okay, so I think both of y'all are coming off as where no longer living in illusions here, no longer living in daydreaming and like, okay, this is possible, that is possible. No, none of it here. I think both of y'all have clarity here. Okay, what's the strength in reverse here? Why is this the mutual energy? Why is the strength in reverse here? See, you're both trying to ignore. What's happening here is that both of you are no one's putting in the work. Both of you are getting out of the hard work here. Both of you are being cowards out here. Both of you are wanting to surrender here because you are not putting in that inner strength, okay, which is needed to hold on to this relationship here. And also at the same time here, I think you're both trying to ignore or living in denial that the connection can be, fulfilling. Fulfilling as in, not really fulfilling. That's not what I was looking for. So it's like, what? In a way, you guys are manifesting each other because when you're distracting yourself, right? Or when you're too isolated, it's like you're not addressing the elephant in the room. Secondly, you're both kind of, trying to escape from the reality. The reality of the situation is that if the work is put in from both your sides, it can work out, but no one's wanting to do it. That's how it is. What's the root of the issue here between Gemini and the person they're dealing with? What is the root of the issue here? Queen of Pentacles. All right. So looks like there is someone here who is ready to invest into this connection here. Someone out here definitely sees you as marriage material. Okay, there is a brand new beginning here between you guys, baby. This is awesome. So it does look like either there could be a mother here between you both here. Children could be another issue between you both. Or I feel whatever the root of the issue was here, if this person was not ready to invest into you, if this person was not ready to commit to you, I feel there eventually are. Your manifestations are coming into reality here. Okay, whatever you've been manifesting, whether you've been doing positive affirmations, whether you've just completely let it go, whether you're exploring other options and you don't give a fuck about this person, it's all coming in. It's all coming in. All right. Just that right now there's no clarity here, there's no communication here, which is why you feel that something's just not working out here, not trusting your intuition here. Okay, but actually it is. There is a brand new beginning here between you both here with a lot of clarity, a lot of inner clarity, a lot of happiness, whatever you wish for. There's emotional commitment here. Okay, the Queen of Pentacles here. What's the Queen of Pentacles? Wow. So now this person is coming towards you, right? They're coming out of isolation. This person could have ghosted you. They're coming out of isolation here. But now it's like I feel that you are coming off as someone who is emotionally unavailable. Now that this person comes back around, right? You're not available to them. You're just very resentful, very bitter towards them. Like, I wanted this all this while. Where the fuck were you? Why does it always have to take for me to walk away from you completely in order for you to realize that now you want me? What is this? What does Gemini feel deep down for this person? What does Gemini feel deep down for this person? What does Gemini feel deep down for this person? The Devil. Wow, they're addicted, bro. What is this? What does this person feel for Gemini deep down? Sorry. Now, one person here is addicted towards you. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah. So this person here is addicted to you. Okay. They feel bonded towards you. There's a very strong connection that this person has with you. All right. You, on the other hand, here, you are like, you know what? I don't have time for this. You're putting in a lot of work in improving yourself, focusing on yourself, putting in a lot of individual work into yourself, your career, your goals, your money, your hobby, whatever it is. But I feel there's a lot more clarity that is coming from your side. You're no longer daydreaming or no longer living in that fantasy world where it's like, okay, I'm in my illusions here. No more. You're now seeing things very, very realistically, making a very realistic choice about what you want. Like, if it's working out, it's working out. If it's not working out, screw it. This person out here and their feelings here with the Devil here, they're obsessed. They're obsessed with you. They're addicted to you, dude. They're addicted to you. They can't get over you here. This person does feel a strong connection to you, but it's overdoing it, you know, like they're just obsessing, which is becoming very toxic here. Tell me, what action will what action will Gemini take towards this person? What action will Gemini take towards this person? What action will Gemini take towards this person? Two of Swords, still no action here. Trying to avoid a conflict. They're just trying to run away from conflict, you know. So this person here is someone who probably likes to keep it all single. They're very self-sufficient. They're okay on their own here. Very, very close to committing to you. Okay, I don't think this person has anyone else also in their mind here. But again, with the Two of Swords here, they're trying to avoid a decision here. Okay, which is probably why they feel there is no communication here. No communication here too. So this person here wants to try and avoid any kind of drama, any kind of conflict. It's like they're stuck between a rock and a hard place. Okay, and any way they go, it's going to be a negative consequence. I'd say there are always consequences, good or bad. There are always consequences. You stay in a situation, there are still consequences. You choose to leave a toxic situation, there are still consequences. Now, good or bad, that's up to you to take it. But there are no good and bad consequences. There are just consequences, and we learn to take responsibilities for it, which this person is not ready to take. They want to keep it very cool, calm, like, you know, like, I don't want to fight. Let's avoid the drama out here, okay? And just if it's quiet between both of us and we're not fighting, let's do it. Because here they are trying to avoid an argument here. Here they are trying to avoid being with you on the same page. So what they've done is now they found a way to run away from this conflict, which is by not talking to you. All right. What action will this person take towards Gemini? What action will this person take towards Gemini? What action will this person take towards Gemini? You still can't walk away. Okay, so you're trying to release the fear, stress, anxiety, whatever it is. Okay, you are blocking your intuition here. Okay, because you're probably trusting your past experiences, thinking of the worst that can happen between you both here. But again, there's still this wanting to walk away, but still not wanting to walk away from something familiar, something that is known. You know, you're choosing to stay a little more longer here. You know, choosing to stay a little more longer here. Okay, instead of just walking away completely. Let's see. Again, switch the roles, all right? If you feel you're the one on this side out here and they're the one that side, take it out resonance. Just flip the roles here. Tell me, what is the immediate future for Gemini and the person they're dealing with from the 1st to the 10th of October 2021? What is the immediate future? What is the immediate future? What is the immediate future between Gemini and the person they're dealing with from the 1st to the 10th of October 2021? What is the immediate future here? What is the immediate future? Nice. Taurus got this too with the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse in the Hierophant. Okay, so now what happens here is that there is a reconciliation here between you both. Okay, you guys will get back together here. You guys will. There will be communication that will probably come in, or something will happen where you guys will reconcile here. But it's still going to be a situation that's going nowhere. It's still going to be like the wrong timing where you guys reconcile here. There's still a lack of commitment here. Okay. This person is coming towards you. Okay. They're probably even watching you from a distance. So probably there could be a lot of online communication is what I'm getting here. Maybe a through communication. Say probably, for example, you see their Insta story and they reply back to you, or they see your Insta story and you reply to them. So it's like a through communication. It's not like a direct communication that I'm seeing here, but could be most of it is online on social media here. But something is going to lead for you guys to get back together in a reconciliation here. Okay, but still keep in mind that things may not change drastically for you. Okay, there are delays here, so don't expect like this is a 3 of Cups here where it's like, okay, you know what, let's talk, let's date, let's chill, let's hang out here. Still not the 2 of Cups here, so keep that in mind out here. But yeah, you guys are finally getting back together out here. Okay, but in a way where you guys are like, okay, let's just get back to where we started. But it's not still that lovey-dovey. All right, let's see. I want to see a few things here. Why is the Moon in reverse here? Why is the Moon in reverse here in this action? Why is the Moon in reverse here? So whoever this person is, right, there is communication from this person here in a very nascent stage. Okay, it could be a very small offer. They're trying to invest into you here, but they're still non-committal here. Okay, but with the Lovers here, one person out here definitely realizes that this is a very strong bond, very strong bond out here. Okay, between you both here, undeniable. This person is emotionally committed to you. They love you to the moon and back. You're their twin flame, their soulmate, etc. out here. Okay, but there's still that lack of commitment from this person's side here. I feel you could see this situation as very, very toxic. Yeah, I think you're the one who is probably in denial of this connect, just for trying to avoid this decision here. Okay, and while they are wanting to work on this connection, they're going to release whatever fear, anxiety they have, and they're going to come towards you. So they're the ones who's probably manifesting you. Let's see, what's the Two of Swords here? Let's clarify. What's the Two of Swords here? What's the Two of Swords here? What's the Two of Swords here? Yeah, babe, this is you, correct. You're not wanting to talk to them. I think you're just trying to exit from this person's life here because you're heartbroken here. And you're just trying to walk away. You're trying to silently walk away here. Although you have a lot of love for this person, emotions or whatever that be here, I think you're just walking away here. We have two masculine energies here, okay? You could be the one who's the King of Wands here, and that could be the person you're dealing with who is actually secretly manifesting you. Yeah, this person here is ready to put in the work here. Deep down, they feel like working on this connection and they're wanting to put in that work on an individual level here. That no communication zone is what is screwing this relationship up right now. I think with the King of Wands here, what's the King of Wands? What's the King of Wands? Let's take it from the middle of the deck. What's the King of Wands? See, you're just moving out of this connection here. You know, you're getting out of this connection here. You're like, you know what, if this person is not going to give me the closure, if they're not going to take action, that's fine. I got more options here. You're just going forward here. You could be opening a new business or starting a new job, a career, something like a hobby, but something that leads to a hobby which is kind of made more seriously, converting into a business here. But you're being very business oriented here, whilst this person out here is manifesting you silently. That's what's happening here. Eventually this person will come back to you. You guys will probably start talking, okay? But like I said, okay, there's still like the situation goes nowhere here, okay? It's still repeating the same cycle here. So luck is still not on your side. It's still not the right time for you guys to reconcile, but oh well, you know. You're going to block this person out here. Either you're going to ignore them or you'll just probably give them a very cold vibe is what I'm getting here, because you don't want to start any drama out here. But you're viewing this connection very logically is what I'm getting here, okay? Very logically. You may have passion for this person here, but that's about it. Whilst this person out here, right, they could be holding on to a lot of fear, a very negative thinker here, but they're finally releasing it. They have that clarity that they need here, okay? Some truth could have been revealed to this person out here, okay, whatever it is here, but they're rushing in. Non-committal, yes, but still, they're wanting to invest into this connection and take baby steps out here, okay? They're still not ready for what you want, but the communication needs to happen, which will happen eventually, okay? So that's what I have for you, all right? Take care.